Hey guys, this is Derek. Yeah, I am adjusting the camera. Basically, it was on the Rubik's Cube at the beginning. But basically, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube and hopefully under a minute. I don't know if I can or not today or when I'm a little tired and I'm not thinking near as fast as I was earlier today. I average now about I'd say maybe a minute and 2 seconds, minute and 6 seconds. But yeah, I'm basically going to be scrambling with Cube Finder. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a website. Look it up. It's pretty sweet. It will give you ways to scramble your cube, and so you don't have to do like the cheating method or whatever. I mean, everybody thinks you cheat or whatever whenever you scramble it just yourself, but I like it just because it gives me a new scramble every single time, and I don't really have to think about it. I just basically do it. So yeah, that's the cube right now. You guys can probably see it. It's all scrambled. But I'm going to give myself a 10-second timer, and then I will go ahead and solve it. So hope you guys enjoy. Other than that, everybody have a good one. All right. Well, that was 58 seconds and 39. And if you guys saw, I had a jam at the end. Normally, it's a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let's see. This is something that's pretty cool. I don't know if you guys have ever done that or not. But basically, you see all of them? Yeah, that's right. It's pretty sweet. So, yeah, let me show you again. 58:39. Pretty, wow. It's getting to be my average now, so praise God. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and until I see you next time, I'm hoping to put up some more maybe Bible videos or something. I've been praying about it. Don't really know, but again, that's the Rubik's Cube. There's a lot of tutorials out there if you guys actually do want to do it. There's the basic method, and then I just know one more above that. So take care.